Here I have Blackview Tab 6, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do it, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button like screen record. So by holding a finger on, you can access sound settings, you can record microphone sound, you can record device sound, and you can also show taps. So to start recording, just tap on this button once, then tap OK, got it, yes, alright. And as you can see, recording is on. Here you can see the small timer here. Maybe it will be seen better if I go it like this. So when you're done recording, you just tap on this timer here, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the movies section, and here it is. So yeah, from here you can share, edit or delete your recording, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.